how to get your ads showing on Google Maps, like these ads here and also these ads here. In this video, I'm going to give you a step-by-step guide to show you exactly how to get your ads showing on Google Maps in under 5 minutes. And I'm going to run through the one setting that most businesses miss. Without this setting, your ads just won't show in Google Maps. This video is for service business owners like plumbers, dentists, electricians, physios, accountants, lawyers, any business that needs qualified leads. My name is Adrian Harrison and I help service businesses generate leads, qualified leads for their business using Google Ads. What do you need to get your ads showing up on Google Maps? There's 5 basic steps. Step 1 is to set up a Google Ads account if you don't already have one. Number 2 is to set up or claim your Google business profile. Number 3, you're going to need to link your business profile to your Google Ads. Number 4 is to turn on the location extensions. And number 5 is you're going to need to create a search campaign if you don't already have one and target local keywords. I'm going to run through this step by step. Step 1, if you don't already have a Google Ads account, go over to ads.google.com and you can hit the Start Now button and then you can sign up for Google Ads. Step number 2 is to set up or claim your Google business profile. To do that, you can search for your business in Google, and if you can find it in the maps already, any of these sort of businesses here, you'll see this link, Own This Business. You can click on that to claim your business. If you can't find your business, then you'll need to go to business.google.com and you'll need to hit the Start Now button, and that'll take you through the process of actually signing up and getting your Google business profile. Step number 3 is to link your business profile to your Google Ads. And to do that, if you go over to Google Ads, go to Tools, Data Manager, and under these featured products, you'll see Google Business Profile. So you click on that, and if you click this, then you can add your business if it comes up. If you're not seeing your business here, you'll need to add your email address to your Google Business Profile. And to do that, head over to business.google.com. If you're signed into your Gmail account, which is associated with your Google Business Profile, it'll take you to a page like this. Click on the 3 dots here, Business Profile Settings, People and Access. And what you want to do is add your email address that's associated with your Google Ads account. So if you add it in here and then click Invite, that'll send an invitation to that email address. You'll need to then go to your email inbox and accept that invitation. And once you've done that, then your business profile should be showing up in Google Ads here like this. Then you can hit Next and hit the link button, and that will join your Google Ads account and your Google business profile. After linking your Google Ads to your Google business profile, the next thing you need to do is to turn on the location extensions. And once you've turned them on, you need to be running a search campaign. You'll have to add it to your campaigns, and you may also need to go through the Google verification process first before Google is going to show your ads in the maps. So let's jump over to Google Ads and I'll show you how to do this. Once you've logged into Google Ads, the next thing you want to do is to come over to Assets, into here, and then we're going to hit the plus button here. And from there, we want to find the one that says Location, which is this one down here. First thing you can decide is where you want to add your location extension. You can add it to the account, campaign, or ad group. If you've only got one location, I would recommend you just add it to the account. We're not going to worry about location groups. Next thing we're going to do is add your Google business profile. So you'll see Google My Business locations. So we'll just click that one here, and that'll give you a preview like this where it will show up down here. And then we just hit Save. After you've saved it, if you click the location here, you'll see that's the Google business profile up the top here, and you'll see the actual asset with the actual address down the bottom. And when you do start getting some data in your account, you're going to see how many clicks it's had, click-through rate, average cost per conversion, and you could add how many conversions it's got if you want to modify the columns over here. And the final thing you need to do to get your ads showing up in Google Maps is to make sure you have a search campaign which is targeting local keywords. You don't have to create a new campaign as such. If you've already got a search campaign, you can use that one, but you want to make sure it's got some local keywords in it, like for example, dentist Sydney, plumber near me, electrician, and your suburb, city or town. And if you've got those things, then your ads will start showing up in Google Maps. You don't actually have any control as to when your ads will show up in the maps, but if you have all those things in place, then they will start showing up. So just a quick recap. Step 1 is to make sure you have a Google Ads account set up. Just go to ads.google.com. Step 2 is to set up or claim your Google business profile. Google.com/business will get you there. Step number 3 is to link your Google business profile to Google Ads. Step 4, make sure the location extensions are turned on so you can add a new one. A lot of people forget this setting, and you've got to make sure it's added to your campaigns. And step number 5 is to make sure you have a search campaign with local keywords added. If you do all those things, then you will be showing up in the maps. If you want to know exactly how to set up your Google Ads account the right way, you can download my 150-page Google Ads guide for service business owners. It runs through all the right settings and shows you exactly how to set up your campaign to generate you qualified leads for your business. The link's in the description below. And if you need some further help with your Google Ads account, I can audit accounts for you, find what's working, find what's not working, or set up new campaigns. You can contact me using the link in the description below. Cheers.